Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you have a black desktop background on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So in earlier versions of Windows, specifically Windows 7, if you do not have a legitimate version or a legitimate product key activating your version of Windows, you would get a black desktop after, I believe, 30 days of non-genuine usage. However, in Windows 10 and Windows 11, they dropped that, so it just would be a little watermark down in the bottom right corner of your screen. However, they do not make your screen black anymore if you do not have an active product key on your computer. So this is an unrelated issue to Windows activation. Just want to put that out there in case some of you guys are familiar with how Microsoft used to do that. So if you're stuck with a black screen on your desktop, very simple. Sometimes if you have a minor setting change or you're going between low and high contrast settings, sometimes your wallpaper gets corrupted and just goes back to a black desktop wallpaper theme as the default option. So in order to resolve that, it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just locate whatever image you want to set as your wallpaper again. I just have it saved to my desktop here. Right click on it and select where it says set as desktop background. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.